Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get unbanned from rivals on Roblox. So if you have used any cheat or for any type of innovation causes you have got banned from these rivals on Roblox, so that means you won't get unbanned on the rivals on the Roblox account anymore. So it's not actually possible. But if you think that you have got banned for unfairly without any reason, you are playing fairly, but they have just banned you or there is any mistake, then you can appeal for it. So first you have to simply open your browser here. Now simply search for Discord. Noisy, let me show you. You have to search for Discord Night Games here and search for it, and you can find there's a Discord server here. You have to simply click on it, and you have to join the server here. So accept on your Discord here. I'm going to accept it. So just like this, I'm going to just find it. Here it is, the Night Games here. So from here you can actually find all. You can this actually not all the room for the room here. So the server uses a Roblox verification system. So in order to unlock all the features of the server, you will need to verify your Roblox account with your Discord account. So you have to verify it. So must simply click on complete. So from here you can agree to all of the rules and submit here. So submit there all of the rules from here, and like this you have to simply click on that. Simply click on this rover app and click on add app button here, and simply click on visit site. So it will take you to the site where you can log in with your Discord. So simply click on login with Discord here. So just like this, where you have to simply click on authorize button here. So it will authorize your Discord account. Here you can see it is just logging in, and from here select the server you want to manage. So you are able to manage your servers. Servers are owned or have the manage server permission will show up here. So you have to get verified. Simply click on get verified button here. Select all of these rules. Read it carefully from here, just like this. After reading all of this, simply click on next and log in with Roblox. You have to simply click on log in with Roblox here. Then you have to select the code or the login credentials of your Roblox account. Now simply I'm going to log in with my username and password here. So it will authorize the Roblox. So you have to simply click on continue, yes, confirm, and give access. So you have to give the access to Rover, so it can actually recognize you or verify you with your Roblox account. So here it is, now update my rules in servers. So here you can update it. So you can go to the Night Games here, simply click on it, and here please wait a few seconds before try again. So you have to wait until it, which server do you want to be updated in. So here you can see it has just updated, so you can continue to Discord again. So from here you can see it has just unlocked all of the channels from here. Now from here you can go to the rivals discussion here. So simply go to that, and you can find that button here. So you can go to your application here, app here, and from here I'm going to go to the rival discussion here. So just like this, here you can see you can actually, you must be a member for at least 10 minutes to send the message in the server. So you have to wait until the 10 minutes is over. So from here, just like this, and let me show you. Here you can see some like here, check the pin before inquiring about the ban. So you have to simply check the pin here. So here is the pin message about the ban notice here. So you have to search for that. Now from here you can search ng mod mail. This is actually a bot where you can simply click on it, and from here you have to simply click on this button here. So simply click on that mod button, mod here, so app here, and let me show you. Just like this, you can simply click on it, and you can copy the message link and you can share it, or you can direct message to them. Like here, ng, let me show you, ng model. Simply click on it, and here is, so simply click on it. Or you can simply click on this member list here. So you can show the member list here, where you can find this ng mod mail, where you can send message that the app will message directly to the moderator of these no snake games, which whom actually develop the rivals on Roblox. So you can describe all of this that actually currently happen, or why it's unfair to ban you from the rival. So you can explain it to the moderator, and moderator can get to you to connect with these anti moderators, and moderators can get to you with that issue, or they can help you. Or otherwise you can discuss in this rivals discussion, where you can discuss about that here, that ban issue from here. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.